Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is Redmi 7, Xiaomi's new mid-end device. This is Lunar Red version with 3GB and 32GB of ROM. This is a global version with Play Store pre-installed. So let's start the unboxing, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video.
One love, y'all, cause we're together.
This is the smartphone. Let's keep it aside and see what accessories it comes with. It's a pretty standard unboxing with regular charger and unfortunately a micro USB cable. I would like to mention that Samsung with their mid-end devices like M10 or M20 is giving fast charger and USB Type-C cable. Now Xiaomi in 2019 should also include it. The phone comes with a protective rubberized case, which is good.
We are free. We are
Now let's see the smartphone and switch it on for the first time. The Lunar red color looks stunning. I must say that this is a very attractive color with shades of black and red. It does make the smartphone look stunning and premium.
house of sounds. It's one love, y'all.
Now let's see the color in direct sunlight. Xiaomi has done a great job in terms of color and the look of the smartphone. It does look premium and has a beautiful gradient finish. The back is made out of plastic and is a fingerprint magnet. The sunlight visibility is not good. At the bottom it has a speaker and the main microphone. On the side it has a SIM tray. Good thing is that you can put two SIM card and also a micro SD card at the same time. On the top it has a secondary noise cancellation microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Good thing is that it also has an IR blaster. On the right side there is power and volume rockers.
We are free. We are love. We're round. We're skinny. We're big. We're small.
Now let's set up the smartphone and check the fingerprint scanner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it took a while to register your fingerprint. 10 to 12 tries. Now this is a HD plus screen. This is not a full HD plus screen, but still I can see the viewing angles. Looks quite good. Xiaomi has done a good job in the display. Let's turn the brightness to the full. Now this is not a full HD plus panel, but I hope the camera is doing a good job. You can see the viewing angles and the screen qualities. The white looks good. It's not one of the best panels by Xiaomi, but again, compared to any other competitors like Oppo or Vivo, this one has a very good screen quality. Even though it's HD plus, I really wish Xiaomi had included the full HD plus display. Let's see how is the fingerprint sensor. So just like Redmi Note 7 Pro, the fingerprint sensor is quite quick. This is one good thing I like about Xiaomi devices. The fingerprint sensor and also the face unlock is always good, so I'm quite delighted with the fingerprint sensor. It's really fast and accurate. Now let's also check the face unlock speed. So well done Xiaomi once again, in terms of face unlocking and fingerprint sensor, Xiaomi devices are one of the best. You can see it's super fast, just like an iPhone 10 or iPhone 10 Max. And I'm sitting in quite a distance from the device, but still the face unlock speed is immaculate and very fast. So this is running the MIUI Global 10.2 version, which is a stable version based on Android 9. The Android Pie. So good thing is that Xiaomi is giving this device with the latest version of Android 9. Now let's talk about its camera. On the rear it has 12 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The main camera has f2.2 aperture and the 2 megapixel depth sensor is f2.0 aperture. The camera has an LED flash. In terms of video recording, it cannot shoot 4K videos, but it can shoot 1080p videos at 60 frames per second. Also, the camera can shoot slow motion videos at 120 frames per second. In terms of camera application, it comes with variety of features. On the front, it has a single 8 megapixel selfie camera. Unfortunately, in this video, I cannot show you the camera samples because my files got corrupted, but in terms of the camera quality, it is very similar to what we have seen in Redmi Note 7. I will say it has a decent camera. If you talk about the design, it's awesome. It looks like a premium smartphone, even though the value of the phone is 490 AED. There are very thin bezels on the side. There is a small dewdrop notch for the front camera, and also there is a small chin at the bottom. Let's see how is the sound quality.
Cherry.
If you want to buy this device in Dubai, this is the shop you must buy. They are giving unbelievable price and nobody is giving at the moment. Also, the stocks are limited, so you can contact them. Contact Mr. Tayeb Bajwa for the pricing. Also refer to Tech World, which is my channel. He might give you a better deal. So this shop is in Dera, but they will not deliver to India or Pakistan or any other country. Somebody has to come here to buy it. तो दोस्तों, पहले मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराना चाहता हूँ इस शॉप के जो मेन मैनेजर हैं और जो ओनर हैं, मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, उनके डिटेल्स स्क्रीन पे भी हैं और मैं आपको ये सारी डिटेल्स नीचे भी दूंगा। अगर आपको किसी भी तरह का मी या Xiaomi का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए हो, चाहे वो स्मार्टफोन हो, चाहे वो पैड हो, तो मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा आपकी पूरी मदद करेंगे इसमें। तैयब सर, पहले तो मैं बहुत शुक्रिया आपको कहना चाहूँगा कि आपने मुझे मौका दिया अनबॉक्सिंग करने के लिए, और एक नहीं बल्कि 3 मोबाइल्स दिए हैं, तो मैं आपका बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मेरे व्यूअर्स को आप ये बताना चाहेंगे कि आपकी जो प्राइजेस हैं और बाकी जो प्राइजेस हैं जैसे, तो उसमें क्या डिफरेंस है?
इंशाल्लाह हमारी प्राइस जो है सबसे बेस्ट होती है और हम कस्टमर को अच्छी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं। कभी भी कस्टमर को ऑफ टाइम में भी चाहिए होता है तो हम उसके लिए सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, और देरा के अंदर हम डिलीवरी भी कर सकते हैं। अगर कोई अच्छा कस्टमर है, रेगुलर कस्टमर है, तो उसको हम सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
और आप ज़्यादातर वैसे होलसेल में डील करते हैं?
जी, ज़्यादातर हमारा होलसेल।
और अगर जैसे कोई किसी को 2 या 3 यूनिट अगर चाहिए हो, तो क्या आप उसकी मदद कर सकते हैं इसमें?
जी जी बिल्कुल। जो 1 यूनिट और 2 यूनिट लेने वाले होते हैं, हम उनको भी अच्छी रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, लाइक अ होलसेलर डील करते हैं।
और यूजुअली आप डिलीवरी देरा मार्केट में ही करते हैं? मतलब
जी
दुबई में देरा के अलावा आप और कहीं नहीं करते हैं?
और करते हैं, वो कार्गो होती है, कार्गो के जरिए।
लेकिन किसी दूसरी कंट्री में कोई मंगाना चाहे तो आप उसे सिर्फ यहाँ से किसी से पिकअप करवा सकते हैं?
जी जी, मेरा स्टॉक जाता है आउट ऑफ कंट्री में, अफ्रीका में जाता है, सऊदी अरेबिया में जाता है, ईरान में जाता है, वो सारी कार्गो के जरिए ही जाता है।
तो उसमें डेफिनेटली कुछ टैक्स या प्राइजेस डिफरेंस होते होंगे?
जी जी, वो जो रेगुलर प्राइस होती है वही होती है। वो बैंक में टीटी भेज देते हैं, हम लोग उनको माल भेज देते हैं कार्गो के जरिए।
तैयब सर,
जो बड़े होलसेलर का कस्टमर हैं वो फ्री जोन से बाय कर लेते हैं। फ्री जोन से तो टैक्स नहीं होता, उधर से फिर सीधा ही उनको कार्गो कर देते हैं हम लोग।
तो दोस्तों, ये हैं मिस्टर तैयब बाजवा। इनका जितना शुक्रिया अदा किया जाए उतना कम है, और मैं इन पे पूरा भरोसा करता हूँ। अगर आपको कोई भी Xiaomi का प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो आप बेहिचक होके इनका फ़ोन नंबर मिलाएं और आप इनसे ऑर्डर करें। तैयब सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपके इंटरव्यू के लिए, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। So overall, I will say that Xiaomi has done a decent job, especially with the color. Now, these kind of color you usually get in premium smartphones, so this is a good thing by Xiaomi. And also, the display is good, the camera is decent, the whole look of the phone is decent. And I will call this one a value for money because the starting price of 7,000 Indian rupees and $105, it's a very good deal for this device. If you can spare a little bit more, you can go for the Redmi Note 7, which is having a better Snapdragon 660 processor. But again, if price is the most important thing for you, then go for this device. You get value for money, decent mid-ranger, which can do almost everything. I really wish Xiaomi has included Snapdragon 636 at least for a better graphic and gaming performance. So that was my review for this device and unboxing. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.